What does ABC mean in Roblox?
Hello and welcome, fellow Roblox enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into a commonly asked question. What does ABC mean in Roblox? This term might have popped up during your in-game chat, and we're here to clear up any confusion.
What is ABC in Roblox?
ABC in Roblox typically refers to a simplistic form of communication used within the game's chat system. Players use ABC, followed by a particular task or roleplay scenario to find other players who are interested in participating in that same activity. For example, a player may type ABC to adopt a pet, if they're looking for someone to roleplay adopting a pet with them.
Why is ABC used in Roblox?
ABC is widely used in Roblox, especially in roleplay games, because it's a quick and efficient way to communicate and find players interested in the same roleplay scenario. It's a kind of shorthand that's evolved from the community itself, making it a unique part of Roblox's player culture.
How to use ABC in Roblox?
Using ABC in Roblox is quite simple. You just need to type ABC, followed by the roleplay scenario or task in the chat box. For instance, if you're in a game and need someone to be a chef at your restaurant, you might type ABC for a chef at my restaurant. Players who are interested can respond with ABC, showing they're ready to join in. And there you have it. You now know what ABC means in Roblox, why it's used, and how to use it. Remember, it's all about facilitating interaction and roleplay scenarios within this imaginative platform. So, the next time you're in Roblox, don't hesitate to use ABC to enhance your gaming experience. Happy gaming!